You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 103/5. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the L. Multiply both sides by x plus 8. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 103/7 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the 0 numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the L. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 7/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 103/5.